I'm Sandy Bridie. I'm the Director of the George Paton Gallery and Coordinator of UMSU Arts Programs. We're here in the brand new George Paton Gallery. The George Paton Gallery programs exhibitions by University of Melbourne students. It's free to apply and we have application rounds at the end of each semester. We also offer other programs such as mentorship programs. Any student can apply for a mentorship with one of the staff, or we'll find a mentor to suit your requirements. We welcome you coming to us to talk about your ideas for exhibitions.
My name is Shannon Goodwin. You'll find me most days down here at the Arts Lab delivering our Creative Workshops program. Join us here each semester for a range of workshops that include printmaking, drawing, ceramics, collaging, right through to audiovisual workshops that include sound production, filmmaking and animation. We also present a range of professional development programs throughout the semester to help you with your practice and career. If you're a student here or club and society, you can book this space, and we have a range of art making materials here you can come and use, so come and get creative. We look forward to seeing you soon.